Welcome to Complete Traffic Science Guide for every driver. Let's start. Goes ahead. Car parking. Aeroplane zone. No U-turn. No turn left. Take left. Left curve. No overtaking. No walking. Cross road. Animal zone. Cycle zone. Two-way traffic. Give way. No parking. Vehicle skidding. No sound. No motor vehicle. Narrow road ahead. Speed limit. Road ends. Men at work. No turn right. Turn right. Take U-turn. Speed breaker. No parking. Bus stop. School zone. Railway crossing. Pedestrian crossing. Subscribe for more informative videos. Like, share and comment.